How many of you have way too many monthly subscriptions that are billed to your credit card? Hi, I'm Sarah from sewingmastery.com, and I want to remind you that our courses are not a subscription. And you can buy them actually two ways. So if you're looking to master your sewing machine or embroidery machine, and you really just don't have time to go to your local store, you can invite me right to your sewing room and we can learn together. So whether you choose our one-time payment method for our courses, perfect. But if it is helpful, we do offer a 12-month payment plan. Now, a lot of times we get emails on whether this is a subscription or not, and it is not. All it is dividing the price of the course into 12 equal payments. So that way you can get started immediately. Your enrollment is instant, and your monthly payments will be charged to your credit card just like anything else. But after the total amount has been paid, you are done, and you own the course for life, which means whenever you and I are sitting down together, you can push pause, rewind, and rewatch the video as many times as it takes. Coming back tomorrow, or maybe in 6 months, you can rewatch the course as many times as needed. Or what if you upgrade to a newer model? Great way to relearn all those great functions and figure out where they moved all those function buttons on that new machine. Our most popular class is still the Embroidery Essentials online course, walking you through 15 different embroidery techniques. If you have some of the bigger machines, we have our whole cloth rehooping experience. This is just one of our smaller versions, but this is multiple hoopings to master functions on the Bernina pinpoint placement, the Husqvarna Viking design positioning, and the Pfaff precise positioning. We've got the Stitching Cosmos online course behind me, which is up to 8 hours of instruction of learning to use your decorative stitches and many of the presser feet that came with your machine and are available for your machine. So I hope you'll check out the links below. We've got options for you to watch free videos in each of the courses to see if that course is right for you. And if you're unsure of which course you should take, drop me an email at info@sewingmastery.com, and I personally will curate a customized list of courses and free video tutorials to help you master your beautiful sewing machine or sewing and embroidery machine. I hope to see you in class soon.